What's up everybody, this is Danny and welcome back to another episode of Ultimate Smart Home. And today I want to focus on budget smart home lighting. And if you caught my last tour, I showed you this starter kit for a gift guide and a lot of people have been asking me about it. So I've partnered with Sangled to show you how I have my lights set up here in the new office. And this is not quite done yet and there's gonna be some changes, but I think it's okay to give you a little sneak peek. There are a lot of smart bulbs on the market right now. It can be overwhelming and confusing, and most of the popular brands are pretty expensive. So I think that's the biggest barrier for people trying to start their smart homes, but I think Sangled is hitting that perfect sweet spot, especially when it comes to price. You'll find that this lighting is literally a fraction of the price of major competitors, but give you all the features that you need. And if you happen to catch this video on Prime Day, then you can get these kits and other bulbs for a steal. So I'm gonna leave a link down below for you. They have a big lineup of smart lighting, so you're gonna be able to find what you need. Sangled has bulbs that have Wi-Fi built in, so if you don't want to use a hub, you can grab these. It's good either way, but in my experience with smart bulbs, using a hub actually makes the experience a little bit more reliable. It's super easy to set up in the Sangled Home app. These hubs come with these kits and you'll more than likely only need one hub because it can connect over 60 lights, I believe. Just add lights in the app. A QR code scan is all you need. Just rename and group them and you'll have control over all of these connected lights right from the app from anywhere in the world. I have a BR30 multicolor bulb in my lamp. Behind the TV setup, I have a multicolored light strip, and my ceiling lights are A19 multicolor. In my bathroom, I have the white version connected, so I can see all of that in my app. I can turn them on and off. I can dim them all the way to 10%. I have full control over the possible 16 million colors and all of the color temperatures, so I can customize to any vibe. I have a gaming mode set up through the app so I can do a little bit of an RGB look when I'm gaming, but right now I have just the daylight look for that fresh and clean look. So for me to demonstrate this, let me go ahead and close the blinds first. Hey, go close office blinds.
Sure, getting my smart blinds. Okay, closing 4 blinds in office.
So let me go ahead and show you that game mode. I have it right here on my Sangled Home app. All I have to do is just hit one button and boom, RGB just like that when I'm ready to play games. But I don't have to use my phone. I could just use a voice assistant. I have everything hooked up through Google Assistant in here, but you can use Amazon Alexa. There's support for that too. So let's say that I want to change colors. We'll go get change office lights to white.
Okay, changing 6 lights to white.
Change office lights to blue.
Okay, changing 6 lights to blue.
Change office lights to red.
Okay, changing 6 lights to red.
Turn off office lights.
Okay, turning off 6
just like
lights.
that. It's super quick, really easy. So I just find myself just doing it through a voice assistant. Being able to control all my lighting in here just by voice is so convenient, but putting it into routines and automation even better. So when I'm done working in here or playing games, watching a movie or whatever, when I leave this office, I can put everything into one goodnight command. So it will turn off all of my lights in here, change the temperature on my thermostat, go ahead and close all of my blinds in here. I love that when I travel, I can set up schedules for these lights to come on at certain times to make it look like I'm home. Or if I just totally forget to turn off the lights or don't say the goodnight command before I fall asleep, then I have a schedule for midnight every night to turn off so I can save energy. The app is really simple and easy to use. It's not too complicated with too many features that you probably won't use. They do have scenes that you can add. So I have my gaming and my daylight scenes on here. With one touch, I can change it up. I would recommend picking up one of these starter kits. I like the multicolor myself, but they do have white if that's your preference. The kits come with the hub and adding on extra bulbs are cheap. So hit that link below for updated pricing. I think you'll be surprised on how affordable it is. So if you're not trying to break the bank and you want some quality smart home lighting, then give Sangled a try. As promised, here's a little sneak peek at the new office. This media setup video is coming soon. It's the new 65-inch 2019 LG OLED C9 paired with the new LG soundbar. There's a BDI OLED media cabinet that I still love. I've had this for years and I still think it's the perfect modern central piece for this room. There's tons of gaming there too with all of the major consoles. I'm sure that there's a lot of you out there curious about the shoe wall. Yes, I am heavily into sneakers. These rotate per season, so for the backdrops of my videos, you'll see them change. I still need to wall mount these shelves so they can be elevated a little bit, and I also still have to wall mount the TV. I do have an IKEA couch in here right now with a chaise, but I decided to change it out for theater seating, so I'm psyched for that. When I first got this space, I knew I wanted to elevate my movie watching and gaming experience in here, so I can't wait to show you the full thing. It's gonna be awesome. But right over there is my editing station. I already showed you my desk setup, still rocking that laptop docking combo. You can watch that full video if you're interested in this setup. I'm so proud of the look and especially the cable management. But I'm gonna stop right there because I don't want to give it all away, and I'm still working on this, especially the garage downstairs. Yes, there's gonna be a smart garage, so this is a garage apartment. This is gonna be a full tour thing, so I don't wanna rush it. I want it to be awesome, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm still organizing all of my gear and finding the best places to put it. So what do you think about the space so far? I think it's coming out pretty good myself. And I'm gonna be testing out a lot more smart home products in here, especially more budget smart bulbs. I know there was a lot of requests for that. And also if you want me to compare them, I'll definitely do that as well. But make sure you hit the links below and check out Sangled. I like the multicolor kit. And if you're watching this on Prime Day, you're gonna be able to get 40% off, which is wicked. For that price, it's a major win, so scoop those up before they disappear. There'll be sales on other bulbs as well, so check out those links for real-time pricing. Thank you for watching another episode of Ultimate Smart Home, and I will see you in the next one.